Cybersecurity is a major concern for all organisations. The Australian Cybersecurity Centre has proposed 8 essential areas of focus that will help any organisation minimise their risk. These are activities which are relatively low cost and easy to implement. The Essential 8, as they're called, can be broadly grouped into measures that limit the ability of an adversary to attack you, and measures that limit the impact of any attack. In my mind, there is one more simple and low-cost activity you can also implement. Deleting unnecessary data will minimise the impact of any data breach. We could call this the Essential 9. But with so many computers running on your network and in the cloud, how can you easily understand what that network landscape looks like? How do you determine whether patches have been applied? What sensitive data is out there and where is it located? What applications are installed that need patching, and are they approved applications? Let's see how automation can help answer these questions and help you implement your cybersecurity strategy. Using Automation Anywhere, I've created a bot that will scan a list of computers and collect information about each one. Using just a list of IP addresses as an input, it will log into each computer and run a series of commands in PowerShell to extract a broad variety of data about that machine. Here you can see the bot in action. The resulting data from each PowerShell command is output to the clipboard. The contents of the clipboard is then written to a file in a folder which is specified when the bot is executed. For this demonstration, I've analysed 3 computers which I have hosted in the cloud. Let's speed the bot up a little to reach the end of the process. Here is the folder where all of the files were created. Note that a subfolder has been created for each IP address that was accessed by the bot. The computer level data is collated into a series of files that can be analysed in a dashboard to understand your network landscape and where you need to apply your focus with the Essential 9. Automation Anywhere includes an analytics capability called Bot Insights. Bot Insights can display and analyse any data that is touched by the bot logic. Using charting, we can highlight any computers which have an unusually high level of disk usage. This could indicate file-based data that is at risk of a data leak and could be archived or deleted. In this visualization, you can see the different hotfixes that have been applied to each computer. We can identify discrepancies between them and see which computers are missing important security patches. These are 2 areas of focus that we discussed in the Essential 9 earlier. We can also load the data into a specialised dashboarding capability like Power BI. From this single dashboard, I can see all operating systems and versions involved, and along with my hotfix data, this lets me ensure my operating systems are patched correctly. I can identify disk space used on each computer and even where database services are running. This allows me to identify data that needs to be backed up or deleted. I can see the local administrator accounts that have been defined on each computer to help me manage privileged credentials. And I also have a heat map of the services running on each computer. This provides insight into the applications which are installed, which I may need to patch or remove. And this is just some of the IT data that could be collected and analysed using automation. So let's review how this can help with our cybersecurity strategy. Automation can collect and display information that is vital for your cybersecurity strategy. Monitoring and patching of operating systems is improved with the visibility into versions and patches. Insights into the services running can help with identifying and controlling applications. This can also guide you with application patching and hardening work. We can identify privileged accounts that need to be restricted, and we can identify data that needs to be backed up or deleted. I should also point out that many customers are using automation logic to replace old Office macros. This allows them to switch off Office macros entirely and to replace them with bots that are properly governed and stored in a secure organizational version-controlled repository. As you can see, automation can be a valuable part of your overall cybersecurity strategy, as well as many other aspects of IT management. Why not contact Automation Anywhere today to see how we can help you?